Hi everyone! Today, I'm sharing a hairstyle that you can complete in just 3 minutes. This is perfect for a fast transition in. It requires absolutely zero skills. Let's get started. Section off the top part of your hair and secure it with an elastic. Next, take some hair from both sides. Tie them with an elastic and do a topsy-tail by flipping it inward. Pull it tight, keeping it slightly off-center to the right. Repeat the exact same step on the other side. But this time, keep the center slightly to the left. Then, gently loosen it up. Braid the remaining hair into 2 simple 3-strand braids. And pull them slightly loose for some volume. Finally, twist the 2 braids together and you're all set. This hairstyle pairs beautifully with delicate hair accessories like dried baby's breath. Give it a try. See you next time!